Meaning of ergonomic.
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 Ergonomic. The term ergonomic refers to the design of products, environments or systems that are intended to optimize human well-being and performance. This typically involves minimizing physical strain and discomfort, improving comfort and safety, and increasing productivity and efficiency. Ergonomic design takes into account various aspects of human physiology, psychology, and behavior in order to create more natural, efficient, and comfortable interactions between people and their surroundings. The aim is to reduce the risk of injuries, improve overall quality of life, and enhance user satisfaction and engagement.